the saved audience. If you're new to Facebook advertising, this may be the most familiar type of advertising audience that you have. So let's give it a name first and foremost. And then we go down to the locations. We have got our target area. If you are looking to narrow that down more to, say, a city within your target country, you can click on Auckland region. And if you really want to drill down, you can always zoom out and drop the pin and find the target place that you are wanting to go and target. So here is a random place that we've just selected, and we're going to expand that out to 34Ks. So if it's a radius targeting, you can use that option if you so wish. We go down to the target age audience, and we can go up or down on the age we want to target. Let's say in this example, we want to target someone between the ages of 25 and 44. We want to target people who speak English. And now we come to the detailed targeting. So this allows you to target someone based on various attributes. It might be demographics, such as their education and life events. It might be things which they are interested in, such as business, accounting, video games, software, or something else. Or it could be behaviors. So, someone who is a frequent traveler, someone who is recently celebrating an anniversary, someone who has started a new job. There are a range of different options. So, in this example, let's say we want to target someone that is interested in business. We are going to see the business option come up, and let's select that. And let's select another option as well, just in case that is not good enough to cover everything. So let's select entrepreneurship. We can now see that we have got an interest, which is business, and we have got a demographics, which is someone that's an entrepreneur. And once we have created all those things, we can see the estimated audience size, and we can create that saved audience. So in the future, if you are wanting to target people with those interests and in those target areas, you can just select the saved audience.